Hop the head. Hop your arm down. Sorry. Put your arm out. Roll your wrist. Take it. See how that side go? Give your cross space hard. Slowly. Get your 3. Spin it. Get your takedown. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. We great. Knuckles down with that right hand. Knuckles down with that right hand. To the mat. Go ahead. Hot sides. Get under. Go ahead. Go under with that right hand. Go under with that right hand. Yeah. Pull that arm out. Pull your right arm back. Hard up. Come up. Pull your head up. There you go. Underhook. Use it underhook. Hips up. We're good. You're good. Come up, Pat. Come on, Pat. No, come on, Pat. Go. Breakneck. Forward, Danny. Forward to that. Close that right leg. Come up. Head up. Come up. Head up. Come up. Follow. Hit to your foot. Hit to your butt. Hold it. Receive to work. You gotta get your legs on that.